Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about time expressions with you. So let's get started. As you can see, time expressions consists of 7 parts: on time, in good time, just in time, only just in time, in the meantime, and it's about time. Let's have a look on the first one, on time. On time means not too late or too early, means punctual. Fine. If you are on time, that means you are arriving at the time agreed. So it's what we call on the dot. On the dot means the dots on the clock. Alright. As an example, you can see on your screen, the train left the station on time. If the train is supposed to leave at 12 o'clock, it does leave exactly at 12 o'clock. So on time is exactly on the dot. Not before, not after, but exactly on time. Alright. Next one is in time. In time means early or at the appointed time. Fine. So just by changing the preposition from on to in, that is in time, meaning eventually changes. For instance, don't worry, we will be in time to catch the train. So that means you will arrive at the station a number of minutes before the train is due to leave, because you know how long it takes to get to the station. So comfortably a number of minutes where you are not having to run because you think you are going to miss it. Alright. Let's move to the next one. In good time. In good time means you have even more time. Lots of time. Plenty of time. As you can see an example on your screen, we will be at the airport in good time. So you have to arrive at the departure place by 12 o'clock, and if you arrive at 11:30, that's a whole half hour before the takeoff. So you could say that's in good time. It means plenty of time. Alright, going back the other way again to just in time, which means immediately before the time at which something is due or is scheduled to begin or end. For instance, we caught the train just in time before it left. Suppose the train is due to leave at 12 o'clock and you got in at 1 minute to 12 o'clock. So it's that close to the departure time. Next is only just in time. This one is even less than that. If you are only just in time, maybe it was 10 seconds before the train left or 5 seconds, right? Very close to leaving. For example, we were only just in time to catch the train. That means we caught the train 5 seconds or 10 seconds before it left. Understood? Move to the next, in the meantime. It means in the period of time between two events. Or you can say when you have some time to fill in before something else happens. As an example, you can see on your screen, we came to see a film, but film didn't start for another hour. So in the meantime, we went for coffee cafe. So in the meantime means you do something to fill in the time while you were waiting for something else. And finally, move to it's about time. It means something was done. You are saying in an emphatic way that it should happen or be done now and really should have happened or been done sooner. You can make it a question like, isn't it about time? It's when you think something is overdue. If something is overdue, you have been waiting for something and it has not happened, and you think it's about time that happened. We have been waiting now a long time. Suppose you have worked for a company for 10 years and you never had a pay rise. So you could say, I think it's about time I got a pay rise. This is in the past tense, just remember. You would not say it's about time I get a pay rise. It's about time I got a pay rise, because it's a kind of conditional thing. You have not got a pay rise, so it's about time I got a pay rise. Understood? Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.